Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add manual accounts to Empower. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. I'm just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. The first step is going to be to log in. So sign in to your Empower account at empower.com. And once you're there, the next step is to go to link accounts. Now click the link accounts button or the plus icon in your account section. Next, select Add Manual Account. Just scroll down and then choose Add Manual Account instead of searching for a financial institution. After that, you want to choose account type. So pick the type of account that you want to add, for example, property, vehicle, loan, or other assets. Next is to enter details. You're going to type in the account name, the balance, as well as any other details that you want to track. For property, you can even add the address and as well as the estimated value. And finally, save the account. You're going to click save and your manual account will appear alongside your linked account, contributing to your net worths and your reports. And that's it. Now you can track offline assets or debt right inside Empower. Next, I'm going to walk you through setting up your financial profile and goals, so stay tuned to that video. I hope you guys liked this one. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.